Alright traders, check this out. The Bitcoin is under the microscope. And you know, there was this really strong move in the last couple of days. A little bit surprising, I have to say, since we see the rest of the market just diving, right? Just nosediving. I mean, so much negative sentiment from pretty much all across board, aside from the Bitcoin, right? I mean, and a few other coins, but mostly the Bitcoin. And like I said, it's a bit surprising. So we were actually having a cheeky short position on the Bitcoin, very small one. Thought that price is gonna continue push downwards. By the way, we still suspected it would, but we're definitely out of that short position, right? Before price took the reached our stop loss level, we were out because price managed to close over 10,639, which we know is a very important key level. Even though it was just a daily crossover, we still don't feel comfortable at this point keeping the Bitcoin in a short position. We know that the Bitcoin is just superior, right? It's just if you take if you would take, I would say probably the last 6 to 10 months. Right, the Bitcoin, statistically speaking, has been superior, far superior than the rest of the leading coins, right? So it's probably not a good strategy to try to attack the Bitcoin from the short side. We should be focusing on other weak leading coins, and we have them in our watch list, and we're also involved with such and such positions. Anyway, so guys, take a look. I mean, price did cross over that strong level, but I want to take you to the weekly chart, right? Because here you can actually see the real move, right? The real balance of power. And I want to refer you to two levels. From below, the 38.2 Fibonacci correction, right? This black dotted line at 95.10. We talked about this key level for, so many times before, right? And also, of course, the mid-low key level, right? The mid-low key level on that blue setup, 10,639, which is pushing a lot of, pressure from above. Take a look. So price is basically caged in here, right? The only question is which one is going to prevail? Which key level here is going to be on the top? Now, it's hard to say. But let's just say this. Both of these key levels should be acting as our official trigger levels, right? Once one of those gets triggered, we probably gonna follow that, the implications, right? So if price is gonna break over that 10,000, we're gonna get on board with a bullish position. On the other hand, if it's gonna fail and begin to come back below 95.10, that's gonna be our cue, to get ready for a downside move, basically. So guys, this is it. This is the Bitcoin, still trading sideways, right? Ever since June, trading sideways, but in such a technical fashion, right between the 38.2 and the 61.8, and also we have some tracks from the 50% Fibonacci, and of course the cross price matrix setup here with all its internal key levels that play out really nicely on price action. So yeah, very technical and fascinating, just fascinating situation. That's about that for the Bitcoin, guys. That's about that for today. Have a nice trading day. We'll see you tomorrow.